Hey YouTube, it's Tom at Pro Collector. This is part 2 of the Indy Hot Wheels celebration. There's Tommy and his friend, and they got their pools for the downhill racing. There's the line.
Your car, so we can write you down. Hang on, that's the other motorcycle.
Before the downhill racing, there's Sizzler Racing. I did make a video about the Sizzler Racing, so check out the description below.
Nice snag, Dan. Good timing. Where we at on number? Gotcha.
After the Sizzler Racing, we decided to gather for lunch. I want to personally thank Marj and the others who helped serve it. We do appreciate it. After lunch, we decided to go outside to enjoy the weather and talk Hot Wheels. For the drawing, for the downhill race drawing, Tommy pulled Hoverstorm. Cameron, he pulled Lamborghini Countach, the Tooned version. And I pulled the Rocket Box. So we'll be racing these here in a few minutes. Wish us luck. Lamborghini. Cameron, you won. Cool.
And Mary Monkey.
Yeah, you know.
What are you?
4304.
You're the winner? Yeah, I'm the winner. I'm just kidding.
Great. Evelyn. There we go. Number two.
Good luck, Jason.
Thank you.
His racing was on.
Won that round.
Congrats, Jason.
Thank you.
Oh, awesome
So far.
Evelyn.
I told Cameron to go get you, but he couldn't in time.
Wait, who?
Marilyn Mumford.
Oh, you could hear it rubbing on the edges.
Oh. In between races, we would look at dealers' tables and look for rare treasure finds.
We have one yet. I think it's 72 people. Each number represents each person.
We go.
Yeah, there's the classic car lost.
6155. Oh, okay.
I can tell, did I win?
3, 2.
Oh,
You didn't win.
Alright, second round.
Go, Cameron.
And the team.
All right. High five. Good job. Stand by. This is my good friend, new friend Jason. He's going down. He's racing the Zotic. And for one more competitor, so we're alive. Come on your way.
Go.
Yeah. High five. High five. Sweet. Yeah.
Maryland.
That's an old one you don't see very often.
Yeah, tank. And Bobby Keel.
It's fast. I've seen the race before. Oh, his car is fast too. Good luck. You guys want to get you in? Yeah. Go, 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 go!
Only up.
Bummer. So close. Yeah.
To take over our website. Our website recently got hacked, and although it's back up, all the features that we had at one point in time are not there. So we would be willing to pay somebody to take over the website and do it. There's not a whole lot involved, but you might go make a little extra money and help the club out. So if you or you know somebody who is interested in doing that,
Red's our winner.
Kennedy, come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Ooh, congratulations.
Hey, thanks.
Missed it. Sorry.
She's got the silver runner.
Colorado.
That was close.
You won again?
That red
One
one.
again.
You won again.
Well, that's mine.
Yes. No, that's. Oh, it is where I didn't go. Which one won?
Odyssey, I think, right?
They are.
Yeah, Odyssey. Yeah.
That nice man right here.
Okay, we got Aubrey Jackson. Go. Be close. Be close.
Oh my gosh, that was close. That one did. You won. That was close.
Congratulations.
So now what, was that the end?
Oh, that was a good race.
That's okay.
I gotta hang out.
Yeah.
Honda Odyssey won.
Okay, we're at the final race, folks. If you want to watch the final race, we're racing Dennis Wall. with an
This
Odyssey
is a car
van.
versus a set?
And Aubrey
Is that
Jackson.
the same car?
That's right. In both bracket 1 and bracket 2, the Honda Odyssey beat out everyone. And if you notice, Zotic from bracket 1 and bracket 2 also did well. Now let's watch the final race.
Gather around for the final race, folks. Come on now.
Which lane am I in? Number 2? Okay.
Which lane? Dennis is in the 4 lane.
You see where?
There's that lane over there.
Who's gonna win?
By a nose.
Little lady.
Who won? Oh, the
One on that side.
Yeah.
Little lady won. Aubrey Jackson.
Oh, great. That's cute. Go high five her. Yeah, you got to come back.
No. He's farther than me. So
They're right there. You get a smile.
Too bad. That's a, that was gonna go. I mean, she won like that. And then not even half an inch. Oh yeah. Yeah. So it's like that
All right. No, give me it. Give me
One
it.
good picture then.
Aubrey.
She's got to tell somebody.
She's gonna go. Thank you.
this is yours.
Yeah, just put it down. Just put it on the chair.
Yeah, she just ran over there.
Can you hold it?
Can you bend down and put it on your knee?
Let me just remind you one more time, I hate to keep bugging about this, but please, when you leave, pick up all those trash and all those whatever trash is left. Please don't leave any trash because if
Probably having a show.
you do leave trash, they're going to charge us to clean this place up. So please, pick up, and if you see somebody else's trash, just pick that up too, if you will, please.
Yeah, just set it down there like that. Put your car on top.
Oh, that looks good.
Do this. Do this. Number 1. Hold up one finger. Say number 1.
Yay!
There you go.
Congratulations. That's pretty awesome.
Hey guys.
Hey, Hot Wheels and
Yes.
more Hot Wheels.
Number 1.
Number 1.
All right, thanks. This is Marj, the president's wife who does everything.
Thank you everybody for coming.
Yeah.
Hope to see you in December.
Yes. That's a
Yeah.
wonderful show.
Yeah.
Santa Claus always makes a surprise visit, don't he?
He sure does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. All right, we're heading out. Cameron did an awesome job. He won the Sizzlers Racing champion. So 0 to 10, what would you guys rate the show?
10.
Me too. We had an awesome time. Met Jackson, Hot Wheels 24/7, and many others like a new friend, YouTuber named Jason. Who else? Trevor, Dave, Mark, of course Howard and the other group. We just had a great time. All right. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye. One of the coolest things that Cameron won from the Sizzlers race was his first edition history book about Sizzler Racing by Mike Grove. Mike Grove unfortunately passed away. There's a limited run of these. But anyway, if you look through it, it gives like a little brief history. Actually very detailed history, but brief and concise, and the different Sizzler cars. It's just full of information. You can tell he spent a lot of time, effort. It is a passion of his. Here's some of the race sets. I don't know about you, but I love history. I love how things evolved to get where we are at right now. Because without this, we wouldn't have Hot Wheels and racing like we have it now. And as you know, ideas build on each idea. That is awesome. But anyway. So there you guys have it. Okay, for the downhill race, we always keep the card and try to put them in a card back with a bubble and like a plastic protector. This has like a memory keepsake. July 15, 2017. Here's James' Coverstorm card. Here's Cameron's Lamborghini Countach. The Tooned version. He didn't want to autograph his. That's fine. Here's mine, autographed.
No, I can't tell you.
Yeah, a little smiley face. We had a lot to smile about today. Okay.
Hold on.
Okay, at the Hot Wheels show, they also had like a coloring contest. Here's one of the pages. Here's the other one. We wanted to participate, but we were tied up with the Sizzler and downhill racing, so we didn't get a chance. But we did get some papers to color later and enjoy it.
All right, we added the